Hi, my name is Patty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a Halloween unboxing and decorate with me. So I'm going through all of my recent Halloween purchases and all of my Halloween decor that I have saved from last year. And I'm going to unpack all of it and start decorating. I'm obsessed with Halloween and I'm going to be starting a series on my channel. I'll probably put these all in one playlist and it's going to be my Mommy's Spook-tackular series. I'm, like I said, obsessed with Halloween, so there will be plenty of Halloween videos, decor, hauls, possibly shop with me's, just so many fun Halloween videos, and hopefully a few DIYs. I don't know, I might get a little creative, but yeah, I hope you enjoy all these types of videos. So if you do, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below possible Halloween video ideas you have for me. So yeah, you'll just see me here unboxing all of my decor from last year. So lights, signs, I have a couple cool decor pieces. So I have like a little phone, I have a projector and a radio. So many cool pieces, and you'll see in the clips I kind of have two themes going. So I have one more darker, like black, purpley, like velvety, like kind of like spooky, I guess you would say. And then I have another theme going where it's a little more kind of like greens and neutrals, but also on like the spooky side. I mainly like to decorate with skeletons and the spooky cheesecloth looking stuff, so you'll see that in a lot of my decor. But I really hope you enjoy this video and definitely look forward to more Halloween videos because they are coming. I know I just did a thrift haul, so that will either be up before or after this video. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. Bye! bye.